Well, good evening, folks. Welcome back to the farm. Today's a very special day. Thank you for joining me in the shop. We're not going to do any special projects. No, it's not that kind of special day. In fact, it is Christmas in May. Yeah, got the mail today. Actually, the wife got the mail today, and a package that I ordered has come in. So here's the backstory. Here's the history. 2007, I bought a jacket that was my chore coat forever, and last year I blew the zipper apart. The thing started falling apart in places that just couldn't be repaired. It was end of life for this thing. And I'd bought that jacket from the thrift store in 2007. And I put 10 or 12 years on this thing. And I thought, well, man, you know what? After this thing has served me so well, chances are I could probably go back to the thrift store and get another, chore coat for like 10 bucks or something like that. And I'm going to have many, many years of just work activities, and it's going to be fantastic. I'm not going to have to break the bank, do anything like that. And I've been in the last year, I've been through like 2 or 3 that have pretty much just disintegrated. So that jacket that I had the first time around was evidently a superstar, but hard to replicate. So I've had my eye on a Barbour jacket, like a nice wax jacket that a guy can do chores. They're well built, sturdy, rugged, but the price tag, oh boy, they're like $500-600 for us to buy here, right? And so that's really, that's kind of out of my price range for something that I'm just taking out to feed sheep and fix fence and look at chickens and do stuff with. So I was like, maybe that's not the option I want, but is there some other similar product in the market that I can get outside of the UK that maybe doesn't have the, the Barbour name attached to it, that's still constructed in a similar fashion and still durable? And so I found a company out of Germany, and that's where this came from. It came all the way from Frankfurt, and I thought, well, let's open it up. So pocket knife. Hopefully I don't cut the coat while I open this bag here, but looks like customs has already had it open. It's kind of funny when you read the tag, because it says, it's in the description, 1 times anoraks other than knitted. An anorak is the it's a European term for a rain jacket, right? And so what I did find was a quilted wax jacket, and that's really what I was looking for, was something for the Canadian climate, for the spring and the fall. I don't want this big heavy winter jacket, but the spring and the fall, when it's cool, it's damp, and I don't want to wreck a really good jacket. You can get some of those all-weather jackets, again, for that $400, $500, $600. You can spend however much money you want. And I got this one for, I think about $150. And it is, the brand name is Game, and it is an Oxford quilted jacket, wax jacket, with the corduroy. It's in an olive green. And I saw it on Amazon, and they had it in a 2XL. They get it in a large or a 2XL. They couldn't get an XL. And you know what? I wasn't too worried about that. My body type, I'm somewhere between the large and the extra large, and so I was quite fine to stick with the 2X, because usually if you buy something out of the UK or even out of Western Europe, I find that I have issues with the sleeves, and I don't know what it is about British people, but they just have these little T-Rex arms that they can just reach for tea bags and gravy boats and things like that. Very dainty, right? I've got these big, long, gargantuan Scandinavian arms, and I need to be able to do this. So I bought the jacket, a size too big, or maybe not a size too big, because maybe I can wear it later in the season or earlier in the season, and put a nice sweater underneath. But hey, you know what? Despite the fact that it came from Germany, it still has the Union Jack, British made, so that's nice. It's waxed cotton, and yeah, the brand Game. So I mean, if you're looking for a Barbour, this might be an option. So nice corduroy on the collar, as well as corduroy on the elbows. You can see it's got some decent pockets here. So let's go ahead and put this baby on. Oh man, I can tell you already, the sleeves The sleeves are just, that was the greatest choice ever. Look at that. So much room for activities. And being a 2XL, I can tell you right now, if they had an XL, we'd be making a different video right now. We'd be making a disappointment video right now, because this fits me just perfect. I don't know if I had an extra cake at supper time or what, but yeah, that's grand. Oh yeah, look at that. Pockets, so much pockets. And they snap shut, so I don't have to worry about getting grain and chunks of hay inside there. Look at that. And then I got a pocket up here if I want to, I don't know, you know, do the whole farmer thing. Keep my hands in there. Probably tuck my phone in there. Probably tuck some syringes in that side. Oh yeah, this is right uptown. Then there's the closure for those really cold days. Hopefully I don't have to use that, but I know we get those days around here. So we're just gonna leave that. We're gonna leave that as it is for now. But yeah, I'm excited. Of course, it's rained for like 5 days, and that's really what I was like. So I better get a raincoat. It's bloody quit raining, hasn't it? You know what? I'm not gonna complain about that. If all I had to do was buy a raincoat to get it to stop raining, you're welcome. You're welcome. Anyway, so here we go. Yes, very excited. Can do all kinds of stretches, lunges, jumping jacks. I'm pumped. Bring on the wet, cold weather.